Okay, let us make our skirt. Let us cut our straight skirt without using any pattern, just a fabric only. We need your waist. You need my measurements like waist, hips, waist to hip, length. We are making the front now. We are going to waist is 74 divided by 4 plus 2 for seam allowance is equal to 20. Hips is 95 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 25.8. Waist to hip is 22. Length is 52. Okay, let us start now. Okay, from here it's our waist. We are starting with our waist, which is 20 centimeter. We are going to mark here 1 to 20. Where we stand, it's 20. And 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. It's the center where you mark your dot. Your dot must be 2 centimeter wide. This is the dot for a skirt. 10 centimeter long. This is where we are going to mark our 10 and make dotted lines like this to here, which is 2 centimeter. From here is waist to hip. Our waist to hip is 22. Let me mark 20 because instead of 20. And square down. Let us take measurement. It's hips. Hips is 95 divided by 4 plus 2 for seam allowance. It's equal to 25.8. This is our 25.8. We mark it here. 25.8. And you square across. From here we are going to mark to square down to the hip from 20 to here. It's the hip to the hip. It's 20. Our length is 52. This is your length. From here to here, it's 52. And you square down. Remember, the fabric is on fold because we are making the front. From here, don't forget to add 4 centimeter for hem. This is where you, and you square across. You also square across from here. Or you square across here. Don't forget the measurements. It's 25. It's 25.8 from here to down the length. The measurement. Make sure the measurements are right. This is our 25.8. It's supposed to be yes. And from here, you square down from your hip to the hem. This is how the skirt must be from here, and you come across with here and you come across from there. Now let us take our scissor and cut. From here, just don't forget, from here we are going to start here to remove this piece. And you must also cut here to remember your dart of 2 centimeters. And you cut your skirt like this. And here you have your front skirt. It must be like this. This is your front skirt. It's be like this. Also, let us do the back of the skirt. The difference with the back of the skirt is that just you have to cut into 2. You cut 2 pieces. You leave 4 centimeters for zip allowance. So what I'm going to do here is we take a square roll like this, and you start from here. This is the from here 0 to 4. This 4, we're leaving this 4 for zip allowance. So we'll start from here. The measurements of the waist is equal to 20. You mark your 20 here. So your measurements will start from there. You mark 20 here and you square across again. From here it's waist to hip, which is 20. And you square down. From here, hips is 95 divided by 4 plus 2 for seam allowance, which is 25.8. This is our 25.8. Yeah. And you square across. And you square from 20. And your length, no, our length is 52 plus 4 centimeters for hem allowance. And you square down again. From there to here, it's 25.8 again. Make sure that the measurements are right. And you square across. You have to square down from here, from the hips to the hem. You square down. finished. Plus here we are coming back here again. It's 20 divided by 2, it's equal to 10. Our remember our 10 is for dart. The dart must be 2 centimeter wide from here, from this 10. It's better to do like this. Here again 2 centimeters, which is 2 centimeters, and just cut here so you remember when you saw that you have a dart, your dart is here. Your dart must be 10 centimeter long, square with the dotted lines. Here those dotted lines so you can see. Now we can cut the back of the skirt. Remember we say we are going to cut 2 because we are going to add a zip. The back needs a zip. Now we are cutting our skirt like this. Cutting line. Yes. Make sure, because it's cut 2, make sure you cut at the center of it so we can have cut 2. You cut it here. Now you've got 2 pieces of the fabric. For zip allowance, it must be like this. This is cut to here are your hips, here are your hips. Now we're going to do like this. This is the front of the skirt. You do like this. This is the front of the skirt, and you put your back here with the wrong sides. Yeah. This is the skirt must be like this. So since we have left 2 seam allowance, now we are going to do like here to add the zip, so you can add your zip. Remember to use the iron to press here. Don't forget to measure that it's 4 centimeter. It's supposed to be 4 centimeter. Why are we leaving 4 centimeter? In case your skirt gets small, you can just adjust and make it 2 centimeter. So that it goes like, it must go like this. And you need a square rule. When you take it to the machine, make sure that you sew seam allowance. It's 2 centimeter. Seam allowance is 2 centimeter from here. It's 2. This is how you make your skirt. You can put it in the machine and sew your skirt. Like this. Going to add the zip